Hola, hoy hablaremos sobre la unidad 8, Allied Health Professional. Le estaré leyendo en inglés, luego en español y luego leeré las actividades en inglés, obviamente. Allied Health Professional, Community Health. The health of the community depends on a larger number of the people or the medical professional and nurse. These can be grouped under health of the allied health professional. They include the following: physiotherapists, physios, help people to move, be ready to the exercise or be treated their body with the hair on massages. Treatment be manipulate muscle and used with the hands. Occupational therapists, OTC, help people with a disability to perform tasks at home and at work. And disability is a physical or mental condition that makes difficult to live a normality, for example, blindness of the deafness. Social workers help people to solve their social problems, for example, poor housing or unemployment or family problems. Chiropodists also now have predeceased treatment condition often the feet. Tenacious. There are number tenacious people who work with the systems equipment, such as radiographers who are now and right tenacious. Ambulance technicians were in the emergency medicine service. An ambulance technician with more advanced qualification in calling paramedic. Practitioners and orthotists. Practitioners and orthotists provide care for anyone who needs an artificial limb and prosthesis or a device to support on control parts of the body and arteries. They are some advices of the rehabilitation, helping patients return normal life or work after treatment. Pro, pros, Prostheses provide artificial replacements for patients who have had amputation or were born with a limb. Artery problems and rash and sleeping and other aspects to have the movement. Correct deformity for abnormal development of parts of the body. For example, clubfoot, talipes, and really pain. Opticians. Opticians test eyesight and perceive glasses and now as spectacles and contact lenses when necessary. The examination includes measures in ocular pressure, the pressure of fluid inside the eyes, and examination the retina. In the optician suspend an eye disease such as glaucoma, they refer the patient to their GP for treatment. The GP then they refer the patients to an ophthalmologist and doctor who specialize in the disease of the eyes. Ahora le estaré traduciendo en español. Profesionales de la salud. Salud comunitaria. La salud de la comunidad depende de un gran número de personas distintas a los profesionales médicos y las enfermeras. Estos pueden agruparse bajo el título de profesionales de la salud afines, incluyendo los siguientes. Los fisioterapeutas ayudan a las personas a moverse al hacer que hagan ejercicio, al tratarlas con calor, masajes o manipulando los músculos y las articulaciones con las manos. Los terapeutas ocupacionales ayudan a una persona con una discapacidad a realizar tareas en casa y el trabajo. Una discapacidad es una condición física o mental que dificulta que la persona viva en normalidad, por ejemplo, ceguera o sordera. Los trabajadores sociales ayudan a las personas a resolver sus problemas sociales, por ejemplo, la pobreza o el desempleo o los problemas familiares. B. Técnicos. Hay numerosos técnicos, personas que trabajan con equipos científicos como los radiólogos, que se conocen como técnicos de rayo X. Los técnicos de ambulancia trabajan en el servicio de urgencias médicas. Un técnico de ambulancia con cualificaciones más avanzadas se llama paramédico. C. Protecistas y ortesistas. Los protecistas y ortesistas brindan atención a cualquier persona que necesita un miembro artificial o un dispositivo para apoyar o controlar una parte del cuerpo. También asesoran sobre la rehabilitación, ayudar a los pacientes a volver a la vida normal y al trabajo después del tratamiento. Los protecistas proporcionan miembros artificiales para pacientes que han tenido una amputación o que nacieron sin un miembro. Los ortesistas proporcionan una variedad de férulas y otros dispositivos que ayudan al movimiento o corrigen una deformidad de una parte del cuerpo, por ejemplo, pies ambos, y alivian el dolor. Una prótesis o férulas. D. Ópticos. Los ópticos comprueban la vista y describen gafas, también conocidas como anteojos, y lentes de contacto, si es necesario. El examen incluye la medicación de la presión intraocular, la presión del líquido dentro del ojo y el examen de la retina. Si el óptico sospecha una enfermedad ocular como el glaucoma, remite al paciente a su médico de cabecera para que lo trate. El GP puede repetirlo a un oftalmólogo, un médico que se especializa en enfermedades del ojo. Ahora le estaré leyendo las actividades. Make word combination using a word from each box. Look at A, B, and C and D opposition to help you. Ambulation technicians. Artificial lip. Club foot. Contact list. Heal professional. Intraocular pressure. Occupational therapist. Social worker. 2. Which alien health professional could be heal the following people? Look at A, B, C, and D opposition to help you. 1. A you married woman who has just had a baby, midwife. 2. A woman who is having difficulty using her right and follow it and factor, occupation therapist. 3. Someone who needs glasses, opticians. 4. An elderly woman who has an ability knee amputation, protesist. 5. A man whose wife and Alzheimer's disease, social worker. 6. A man with a fungal infection of the feet, podiatrist. 3. Completed the test. Look at A and C opposition to help you. A petition work with patients of an age and member of the clinic team present at Leisure Hospital. The patient might need a prosthesis and the result of an accident or limb following and disease such and diabetes. Alternatively, they may have be born with both and lip orthotist for allergy doctors, nurse, nurse, physiotherapists, and occupational therapists to give, to give the people under their care the best possible care. Their main aim is to enable the patients to live and the normal life and work and leisure. An orthopedist of the world in a clinic is a part of an operator service and also visiting other centers to provide and serve for the people with special needs that deal with people of all areas. For instance, children who have the cerebral palsy may require braces to help the war and money order the people, and especially the shoes to correct deformity. It, damaged any part of the human skeleton might require some form of orthotics. The orthotics may be made to reposition the body or to alleviate pain.